Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we will do our English worksheet, that is trace and write the given alphabets. Now see the first sound, that is eh. Eh. Now we will trace the sound eh. First go right, go up and make a round. First go right, go up and make a round. Eh. Our next sound is f. Now trace the sound f. First start from dot, turn a little, go down and line cross. Our next sound is g. G. First make a k, go up and come down. First make a k, go up and come down. G. Our last sound is h. H. First go down, go up and make a bumpty. First go down, go up and make a bumpty. H. Now complete this worksheet according to this pattern.